Hi friends, it's Susie. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today what we have is a 16 by 16 inch gallery wrapped canvas, and I'm only using 4 colors. I'm going to do a big bloom on this larger canvas, and I have a burgundy color, I have gold and yellow. And the burgundy and the yellow are from Amsterdam, and the gold is by Deco Art. And then I have the base color, which is a mixture of different yellows and different shades of yellow. I mix that together, and that's going to be the base. I'm also going to put some of that in the bloom as well. And so I'm going to put the puddle down and then add the layers for the bloom. So what I added to the paints was the paint and then the same amount of medium as paint, and then the rest is American floetrol. And I added a little bit of Liquitex medium to the paint just to give it some shine. Just a little bit, just a tiny little pinch. And then with the cell activator, I'm using a white paint, the titanium white by Amsterdam. And then I add Australian floetrol to that, and it's 3-to-1. So 1 part paint and 3 parts of the floetrol. I wanted to show you what this looks like dry. This was a lot of fun to make, and thank you so much for watching the video.